Hello, dear friends. Today we dive into a topic as essential as any we've previously tackled: full-body workouts. So if you want to influence future content, make sure to join us. A full-body workout involves engaging all major muscle groups within a single training session. This comprehensive approach to fitness is highly efficient, making it an ideal choice for those who have limited time to dedicate to gym visits. By incorporating exercises that target multiple muscles simultaneously, full-body workouts maximize the use of your time in the gym. Instead of isolating a single muscle group per session, which can extend the total time spent working out, you work the entire body, ensuring that every minute counts. This method not only saves time but also enhances metabolic efficiency, as it increases the calories burned during and after the workout due to the higher level of overall muscle engagement. Moreover, this holistic approach promotes more balanced muscle growth, improves overall strength and endurance, and maintains workout intensity, which can often wane when focusing on one muscle group at a time. Thus, full-body workouts offer a potent blend of efficiency and effectiveness, suitable for anyone looking to achieve comprehensive fitness results efficiently. Full-body workouts are a stellar starting point for those new to the fitness journey and a steadfast strategy for seasoned gym goers. If you're relatively new to lifting, with less than 2 years of experience, you'll find these workouts especially advantageous. In the initial stages of strength training, it's common to feel compelled to dive into more intricate isolated exercises like bicep curls or tricep extensions. However, focusing on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses can offer more bang for your buck. These exercises not only work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, but also stimulate neuromuscular coordination and the central nervous system, laying a solid foundation for future strength gains. On the flip side, for the veterans and those not interested in the competitive aspect of fitness, full-body workouts provide a practical and efficient method to maintain overall health and fitness. This approach minimizes gym time while maximizing results, allowing more seasoned exercisers to maintain their fitness levels without the exhaustive detail and time commitment that specialized routines require. This method of training is not just a phase or a beginner's regimen. It is a viable, long-term strategy. Adhering to a full-body routine helps maintain consistent progress and prevents the plateau effect often seen with more segmented training schedules. Moreover, this holistic approach to fitness supports a balance between strength, endurance, and mobility, encouraging a sustainable fitness lifestyle that keeps your body challenged and engaged, no matter your experience level. I am a big proponent of full-body workouts for several reasons. Time efficiency. You spend less time training, but still reap nearly the same benefits as longer, more frequent sessions targeting specific muscle groups. Neural and muscular coordination. By engaging multiple muscle groups in compound exercises, you enhance overall body coordination and strength. Flexibility. This style fits anyone's schedule, whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone juggling multiple responsibilities. Consistency and adaptability. It's easier to remain consistent with your workouts when they're streamlined and adaptable to your life. To maximize the benefits, keep these 4 essential rules in mind. Appropriate weight selection. Start with weights that are at least 40% of your 1-rep max to ensure you're challenging your muscles sufficiently. Variety in training. Intensity. Alternate between heavier and lighter loads. This variation helps avoid plateaus and continues to challenge your body, promoting growth and strength, managing metabolic stress. It's crucial to reach a level of muscle fatigue, acid buildup in the muscles, but not to the point of complete failure. This approach helps improve endurance and strength without overtaxing your system. Volume and frequency. Aim for around 10 near-failure sets per muscle group per week. This volume is sufficient for growth without overtraining. Let's walk through a standard full-body workout to give you a clear picture of how it might look. Warm-up. Start with a general warm-up. 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio and dynamic stretching. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Chest, shoulders, triceps. Begin with a classic push-up. It's accessible, effective, and engages multiple muscle groups. Exercise 2. Bent over rows, back, biceps. Follow up with bent over rows to target the back and biceps, reinforcing the work from the push-ups. Exercise 3. Squats, legs, core. Move on to squats, which are excellent for the lower body and core stabilization. Exercise 4. Planks, core. Finish with planks to strengthen the abdominal and lower back muscles. Progress gradually. Increase the weight or number of repetitions slowly to continuously challenge your body. Listen to your body. Adapt exercises and weights based on how you feel. Each session might differ based on your energy levels and physical condition on the day. Stay engaged. Mix up your routine to keep things interesting and prevent burnout. Try different exercises for each muscle group to keep your body guessing and improving. Full body workouts are a versatile, efficient, and effective way to train, especially if you're looking to manage time effectively while still achieving significant fitness gains. They are suitable for people of all fitness levels and can be adapted to fit any lifestyle. Remember, the key to fitness is consistency, adaptation, and engagement. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, full-body workouts can be tailored to help you reach your goals while fitting seamlessly into your life. So lace up your trainers, get into the gym, and try out a full-body workout. It might just be the game changer you need for a fitter, healthier life. And as always, let's keep pushing, stay motivated, and transform our bodies one workout at a time. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in our channel. Your input helps us grow and improve. Here's to your health and success in your fitness journey. See you in the next session.